Hello, in this video I'm gonna perform a short unboxing of TOZO T20. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside the box. So let's get right into it. Let me quickly open the box. There we go. And here we have the inside of the box. We can also find some more paper, and that's all. Alright, so now the main course, we have the quick guide, of course, where we can read some stuff about the usage of the device. We also have the user manual, and in addition to that, maybe we will start with the earbuds itself. This is how it looks like. Let me quickly open it. There we go. And from this side, all right, so here we have the case. Of course, inside we will find the earbuds themselves. We can see the LED display of the battery, so that's pretty cool. All right, we will get back to the case in a short while. Over here we have the USB cable. On one side we have USB-A, on the other we have USB-C, and of course it is used to charge the case. And over here we have different sizes for earbuds. So let me try to actually open it. Over here, there we go. I believe we have 6 different sizes. As you can see, there's quite a bit of them. Definitely everyone can find their size. Too bad they are not grouped immediately, but at least we have lots of them. So we have different sizes. Over here we can see these are extra large, I think. So over here we can also find smaller sizes. Over here we have small, and so on and so forth. All right, so let me put these down in a sec. Let's move this, and let's get back to the case itself. Over here at the back we have the input for the USB-C, and yeah, so when we open the case, I can tell the case is really light. I mean the top of the case that we open, it's really light. I'm kind of afraid that it can be easily broken, and it closes really easily. Like if you open it, you can just like move it like this towards the top in order to close it. So definitely it could be a little bit firmer, I think, but maybe that's not a bad idea that it is so light. But I can definitely see cases where it closes by accident. All right, let's take out the buds themselves. All right, over here we have one side. Here we have the information. Please remove the protective film before use, of course. So when we take it out, the color is really nice. The color is really cool. It's like dark blue. Oh, I really like it. Over here we have the earbuds themselves. We have the cover. So this is, I think, the left side. Yeah, over here we can find the information, which side it is. And of course we have the right side as well. We have the film, which we can take off, or we actually need to take off. And of course it looks the same way. Over here inside we have the information about the side on which ear it should go in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is everything that we can find inside the box. I think they look pretty cool. The only thing, my first impression, without even wearing them, of course, is definitely the top of the case that I mentioned before. I think it's a bit too light. Yeah, but I don't want to repeat myself all the time, so I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.